In this video, we will add year group. Let's begin. On the left, you will go to main navigation. Then you will go to admin area. In admin area, you will click year group management and then year group master. That will take you to manage year group. On the right, you will then click add year group. You will then select the universal name for the year you will be doing. For this training, we will be doing Year 1, speaking specifically to the primary level for Grade 1. So for the universal name, we will choose Year 1. Then in name, we will add the word 1, beginning with capital letters. Then save. You have now completed the first one. To add another year, you will then go back to Add Year Group. Let's do Grade 2. Universal name, Year 2. The name, we will add 2, capital T, and save. That's it. You have just added your year group. See you in the next video.